Hello friends, welcome to our channel where we break down the latest crypto market news. Today is the 16th of December 2025, and we're talking about XRP, the Ripple token, which is back in the spotlight. The XRP price is currently trading around $1.88, with a 7% drop in the last 24 hours. The market is in panic. The fear and greed index for XRP has dropped into the extreme fear zone, and the token is testing critical support levels. But let's figure out what's really happening. We've gathered the key events of the day, analysis, and forecasts for you. If you're a trader or investor, this video is for you. Hit like and subscribe so you don't miss updates.
Discover Etherify, a trusted project in the field of cryptocurrency staking. With an initial investment of $1,400, in just a few weeks I was able to grow my capital to $6,000, which speaks to the high efficiency and reliability of this platform. Etherify uses advanced technology on the Ethereum blockchain for staking, guaranteeing you a share of the profits from the fees earned by confirming transactions on this network. Currently, the project is actively working to attract permanent partners, offering them 90% of all profits, which significantly exceeds standard terms. My experience with Etherify confirms its honesty and transparency. Earning more than $5,000 in net profit through regular deposit and withdrawal operations proves that this project deserves your attention. Don't miss your chance to take advantage of these favorable conditions while the project is expanding its partner base and offering the most profitable staking rates.
First, about the price. XRP started the day below $2, dipping even below $1.92, but then stabilized a bit. This is happening against the backdrop of a general crypto market correction. Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP are falling after weak U.S. employment data that didn't support recovery. According to reports, XRP broke key support at $1.93. That's the 20-month average. And now, analysts are warning of a possible drop to $1. Exchange balances for XRP fell by 45%, while inflows into XRP ETFs reached $1 billion. These are mixed signals. On one hand, accumulation. On the other, whale selling. Now, about macroeconomics. There's big interest in Japan. If all banks in Japan start using XRP for cross-border payments, the price could skyrocket. Analysts from the Crypto Basic have calculated a scenario where mass adoption leads to a rally several times over, potentially to $5 or higher by the end of 2025. Ripple is already collaborating with Japanese banks, and this could be a catalyst. But for now, the market is reacting to global uncertainty. The expectation of a Bank of Japan rate hike is increasing pressure on risk assets, including XRP. Traders are locking in profits, trading volumes are declining, and this is a typical year-end picture with thin liquidity. But there's positivity. Despite the drop below $2, top analysts are forecasting a 200% rally ahead. Coinpedia notes that if the bullish momentum persists and key resistances are broken, XRP could reach $5.05 by December 2025. Sistine Research sees XRP on the verge of double growth, with potential for double digits if the market stabilizes. Ripple has received conditional approval from the U.S. OCC for the Ripple National Trust Bank Charter. This is a step toward integration into the traditional banking system, which will boost XRP adoption. More news. Bridgers introduced one-click cross-chain swaps for XRP, RLUSD, and other XRPL assets across more than 50 blockchains. This accelerates liquidity and makes XRP more convenient to use. In the XRP ledger ecosystem, evolution is underway. Native programmability and permission DEX have been added, as noted by an expert in a post on X. But there are risks. Doomsday scenarios from CryptoRank predict a drop to $1 due to increased whale sales and bearish signals. About companies, Ripple continues to expand, but investors are looking at alternatives like GFi, which offers massive profits with an 80% presale and staking up to 55% APR. XRP is aiming for $4, but GFi is attracting seasoned investors. Motley Fool asks, is XRP a buy for 2026? They note that after a 70% growth at the start of the year, the token gave back all gains, but the fundamentals are strong. Forecasts are mixed. Bloomberg forecast the launch of several ETFs in 2025, including XRP, which could push the price up. But CoinDesk warned of the risk of a deeper pullback after breaking support at $1.93. Global liquidity will shrink in 2026, which will hit XRP, but analysts see Shiba Inu and Ethereum in reverse, and XRP at the last hit point before losing $2. Regulatory news. The CFTC canceled the delivery rule, giving exchanges flexibility, which is positive for XRP. OCC charters are causing alarm among banking groups, but for Ripple, it's an opportunity. In the UK, new rules for crypto by 2027. In conclusion, XRP is on the defensive, but with strong fundamentals from Ripple. If support at $1.90 holds, expect a rebound. Keep an eye on Japan, ETFs, and regulators. Don't risk everything. Diversify and wait for signals. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Hold your XRP tight, friends.